Hey guys, Rishi here and welcome to my brand new channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to edit sunset like this in Lightroom. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Lightroom app and import the photo. Now we are going to do some basic adjustment in lights. So keep the exposure around 30 and the contrast to 10. Now let's bring the highlights down to -35 so that we can see the details in the sky. Let's keep the shadows to +20, whites to -24 and the blacks to -13. Now let's move over to the tone curve. Let's keep the tone curve simple, so we are going to make an S curve by making 3 points on the shadows, the highlights and the midtones. Now let's move over to the colors. Keep the temperature to -6 and the vibrance to 13 so that the colors become bright in the photo. Now we will set the saturation to 46 so that we can see more of the orange color in the sky. Now hit mix. Let's just move over to the orange color and keep the saturation to 15 so that the orange color becomes bright, and the luminance to -20 so that we can see the light flares on the sky. Now move over to the blue color. Bring down the hue to -9, keep the saturation to 36 and the luminance to 26 to make the sky more blue. Now move over to the clarity panel and increase the clarity to 18 and the dehaze to 7. Now let's move over to the detail panel, increase the sharpening, detail and noise reduction. And now check the lens profile correction. So this is the before and after of the photo. Guys, if you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we will be bringing more tutorials like this.
With